Inserting header and footer. When you want to insert header and footer to your document, you click on insert menu. You can see header, footer. You click, let's choose this blank. You come up, type here. You go on typing, it's highlighted. Let's say so you could highlight, click on home for your formatting. You could reduce the font size. It's okay there. You right alignment is okay. Likewise to your footer, if you need, you come up here and apply. It will also affect. If you need one here, you click. So when you are done, you come back to this view, to design. You close header and footer. Check it is applied. Now your work is done. So in every document it will reflect.